when we wanted to get into a business, start a business for ourselves, we started researching, looking at different ice cream and shaved iced options. We have 2 kids, so they're always very happy when the ice cream truck comes around, and they're always asking for those ice cream, and so that's something very close to our hearts. So that's when we decided something where we could serve kids, and that's when we started researching different ice cream and shaved iced options. So we got online, and that's what we decided to do. And when one thing led to another, and that's when we said, yeah, this looks like a good opportunity to start a business, and let's see what options are out there. Once we decided what type of business we wanted to get into, of course we went online, went to Google, and started researching the different ice cream and shaved iced options out there. That's when we found out about Tikiz. And as we got to doing our due diligence, researching different companies, we started talking to the team. They've been very nice from the beginning. We get a phone call the next day from them. Yeah. So they're very, they have a very personal touch. They've held our hand through the whole process. So, from day one, we get a feeling that it's kind of like a family environment where they really make you feel special. And I think that led to us deciding to, and of course the truck is amazing. You go outside and you see it, and I haven't seen, we've never seen a truck like that.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, and how personable they've been, how helpful. It's really nice to know that if we contact them with questions or anything, they're right there, always very prompt to answer. So it's been a nice process once we decided. So we're really happy with our decision.
Right. The experience has been great. The whole team from the beginning, they've held our hand throughout the whole process. Telling us what to do step by step. Now that we've visited the corporate office, it has exceeded our expectations. So we're very happy, and we're very happy to join the Tikiz family.
Yeah, they have taken care of us the moment we arrived. They have made us feel really comfortable here, and now that we're here, everything starts making more sense. So looking at the truck finally, how everything is made and all that, now it's game on. We're really excited about the whole process.